more efficiency, a cost reduction, and the same quality in the final product. These are the goals of the Industry 4.0 projects in which the AI2 Institute is involved. Researchers at the Institute of Automation and Industrial Informatics at UPV develop comprehensive automation and control solutions with a strong scientific and innovative component. Companies from various sectors have already relied on us to successfully solve specific and complex challenges.
We transfer our knowledge in industrial control automation to the industry to improve their processes as much as possible.
Several industrial processes in the automotive sector have benefited from AI2 Institute developments. Our team has created vision systems for automatic micro-inspection of craters in paint application and an innovative intelligent laser stripping system capable of adapting to part deformations. The AI2 Institute has 2 fully equipped laboratories dedicated to improving industrial processes. The Industry 4.0 Laboratory, a space focused on research and innovation in enabling technologies, industrial computing systems, communications, industrial and service robotics, and human-robot collaboration. And the Smart Industry Lab, where proof-of-concept tests can be carried out with real-time simulations for process optimization. Its researchers offer tailored engineering and consulting services for industry. Our research team develops prototypes, conducts testing, and validates solutions in a controlled environment to meet the needs posed by companies. We have been researching for decades in predictive controllers, multi-objective optimization, robotic handling of industrial products in agri-food, textile, and automotive sectors, and improving thousandth-level precision in metrology using inline cameras for real-time measurement of unique parts.
The AI2 team is highly qualified to advise companies on their digitalization processes. Our experience in the design and development of control, simulation and optimization systems, combined with our state-of-the-art equipment, become us into a strategic partner for industrial innovation.
Tailor-made automation and control solutions for Industry 4.0 and 5.0 processes.